evening, friends. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. This is a special episode showing you weekly report of our YouTube intraday calls. Let us see our performance for the week. So, before seeing our current week performance, let us glance to our last 4 week performance. Week 1, our profit was at rupees 1900. Week 2, our profit was rupees around 3500, and the last week, including that, it was 5400. Week 3, it was a pretty bad week where we hit maximum stop loss, and we made a profit of 40 rupees, and the total profit was 5450 440. And week 4, let us see. So 7/6 2021, Tata Chemicals buy active at 750 and quantity was 50. So once again, the viewers were new to the channel. So this weekly report, if any stock is below 1000, price is below 1000, we'll be taking it in 50 quantities, and if the stock price above 1000, it will be in 30 quantities. Simple way to calculate it. So first buy was active Tata Chemical 750, and the whole day it was at the range. So we made it a cost to cost exit, that is 750, and there is no profit and no loss. The next stock on the same day, JSW 727, buy was active, and we hit the stop loss 721, and we made a loss of rupees 300. And another two stocks, Tata Motors and Grasim, was not active for the day. Next stock, Tech Mahindra, buy was active at 1040, 30 quantity, and you can see the second target was hit on the stock, that is 1052, and we made a profit of rupees 360. And the next stock on 8/6 2021, HCL Limited, here the buy was active at 953 and 50 quantity, and the second target was hit in the stock, and we made a profit of rupees 600. Next two stock for the same day was not active, and the next day 9/6/2021, HDFC Life buy was active at 692, and first target was hit 697, and we made a profit of rupees 250. And the next stock, Tech Mahindra, was a stop loss hit and made loss 210. Airtel buy was active at 549, and stop loss triggered at 542 and made loss of rupees 250. Sun Pharma 682, buy was active, and stop loss was hit at 677. Infi buy was active at 1426, and first target was not hit in the stock, and it was almost cost to cost. We could consider this because the entire day wasn't in range. Power Grid buy was active at 246, and we hit a stop loss at 253, and we made a loss of rupees 150. And other two stocks, TVS Motor and Grasim, was not active for the day. And the next day, 11th June 2021, here Cipla buy was active at 975 with the quantity 50. First target was hit 980, and we made a profit of rupees 250. Airtel buy active 546, and we hit our first target 550, and we made a profit of rupees 200. Wipro, the entire day was in range, and buy was active at 556, and the entire day nor it hit our stop loss nor it hit our first target. So whoever have entered it, they could have exit in the cost to cost. Next stock, SBIN Buy was active at 434 and the stop loss was it at 431. We made a loss of rupees 150, and the entire week the profit of rupees 350, and total in this month in our suggestions we made a profit of rupees 5790, where the investment would be at around 15,000 max if you are using a margin, and it is a very good return it in a month. So uh, so we'll be considering from next week onwards our Nifty and Bank Nifty trades also in the report, so that you get more knowledge on our option trading calls, like what would be the profit you get if you are following our channel in Telegram and also YouTube. This is a very good move, I feel. Thanks for all your support, and do subscribe us and do also share with your friends and family, and also give a like, and if you have any concerns do comment in a comment section so that we can improve ourselves. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.